Every car needs a way to transfer the engine's power to the wheels. That's the job of the gearbox. It controls how fast the wheels turn, compared to the speed of the engine. Without it, your car would stall the moment you tried to move. Let's explore the most common types of gearboxes used in modern vehicles and how each one works. The manual gearbox is the most traditional type. It uses a clutch pedal and a gear lever that the driver operates manually. Inside, it's made of gears and shafts that mesh together when you shift. The clutch temporarily disconnects the engine from the gearbox, so you can select a new gear smoothly. Manual transmissions give the driver full control over power and speed. They're simple, lightweight, and great for performance driving. But they require more skill, especially in city traffic. An automatic gearbox shifts gears on its own. No clutch pedal, no manual shifting. It uses a torque converter to transfer power smoothly from the engine to the gearbox. Inside are planetary gear sets, controlled by hydraulic pressure and sensors that decide when to shift. Automatics make driving effortless and comfortable, especially in stop-and-go traffic. They used to be less fuel efficient, but modern versions with more gears are incredibly refined. The CVT doesn't have fixed gears at all. Instead, it uses a belt and pulley system that constantly adjusts the gear ratio. This keeps the engine at its most efficient, RPM, and gives you seamless acceleration with no gear changes you can feel. CVTs are perfect for hybrids and small cars because they save fuel and reduce engine wear. The only downside, they can feel less sporty to drive. The dual-clutch transmission combines the performance of a manual with the comfort of an automatic. It has two clutches, one for the odd-numbered gears and one for the even-numbered gears. While one gear is engaged, the next one is already pre-selected. That means gear shifts happen almost instantly. DCTs are used in sports and performance cars for their speed and precision. They're quick and efficient, but also more expensive and complex to maintain. There's also the automated manual transmission, or AMT. It's basically a manual gearbox, but the shifting is done automatically by an actuator. This makes it cheaper to produce than a full automatic, which is why it's often used in small, budget-friendly cars, but it can struggle on some situations. So, those are the basic types of gearboxes, each designed with a different purpose in mind. Manuals give control, automatics offer comfort, CVTs save fuel, and DCTs deliver performance.